the November unboxing of the Art Journal Junction Mixed Media Inspired Kit. So when you open your box, the first thing you're going to see is the insert that has a description of what's inside the box and a code to the store for a discount. And the first item here is Thickers stickers, which are 3D dimensional letter stickers. And this particular one has a very fine newsprint pattern on all of the letters. And the collectible pin this month features 3 different flowers, and they kind of have a Hawaiian vibe to them. Then we have the Stamperia rice paper, and this is the poppies set. Now you can cut these up and decoupage with them and do lots of cool different techniques. Then there is a set of 3 black file folders in 3 different sizes. Then we have 3 colors of DMC craft thread, and this is a really wide, heavy thread that will not unravel like most 6-strand thread, so it's one solid piece. Then we have Nuvo crystal drops, and these are dimensional self-leveling drops. You can also stencil and do different things. And then a Posca pen in white. Now this is a different thickness than I've had, so this is a 5M. And most of the ones that I use are 3, so this will be interesting to have a pen in a heavier weight. We can't wait to see what you create using this month's box. Be sure to share your creations on social media using hashtag #MixedMediaInspired, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any of our future videos.